Welcome to this video about the KnowledgeSmart Power BI Skills Audit Report. The report opens at the Start page. Use the tabs along the bottom of the report to go to the Read Me First and the User Guide pages. Here you'll find useful information about using and updating the report. Our tour of the visuals in the report begins from the navigation home page. The report's in three sections, covering heat maps, statistics and training tags. From the navigation home page, you may navigate to any other page by holding down the Control key whilst clicking on the page name with the left mouse button. To return to the home navigation page, simply perform the same action wherever you see the home button. Alternatively, you may move between pages by using the page tabs along the bottom of the screen.